Hey everyone, welcome. If you're new, welcome. My name's Kedro, and today we're going to be doing some sewing stuff and costume making stuff, okay? So here's the first step, right? The first step in making a costume, you walk into your room, you grab your pair of black pants. We're too early. Second step in making a costume is you go into your special lady's father's closet and then you grab a white shirt. Bada bing, bada boom. Third step is you walk to Walmart. You grab the tie and then you put it on. And bada bing, bada boom. It's Mr. Worldwide. And next up, we're making a vest. Hey everyone, welcome. And if you're new, welcome. My name's Kedro. And today, we're gonna be doing some sewing. So here's the deal, right? We're sewing the costume. This is an epic piece that we got from Value Village. This is another piece that we got. It's pretty wrinkly, but see how this is black? See how this is like a deep burgundy / red? More red than burgundy. We're gonna be cutting this up and making it red. So let's go. Oh, okay. So we're back here. I got my glasses on. I got the gum in the mouth, and we got it all pinned up, right? Only the one side so far. This is how it looks, right? Looks pretty crystal cool and crystal clean and cool clean. I hope I don't mess this up, but I did get like 99 in sewing, so. Also, I hope you guys can hear me. Some ASMR for you. Just kidding. No ASMR. We just input it in on there. We input it in. We input it in. Now we just lower that footy. Yeah. Okay. If this messes up, it's all my fault. God dang. That's a weird angle. Okay, are y'all ready for this? Sorry. So far, so good. Bada bing, bada boom. It's Mr. Worldwide as a step in the room. This is what it looks like. I think absolutely beautiful. Doesn't that look just absolutely pristine, clean, and mean and green? And know what you're thinking?
Oh no, there's buttons in there. And how are you gonna get them out?
We're gonna cut a tiny little hole and then just pop them out, you know? And guess what? The tiny little hole doesn't have to be too clean because the button is gonna cover up the hole because it's gonna pop through. Next up, we're gonna do this side. So let's go. Wow, oh my God, it just appeared out of nowhere. Here it is, ladies and gents. We did it. We did it. But now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut little holes for the buttons, right? Here, yeah. Let's go. Right here?
Yeah.
Voila. Pretty good, eh? Dun 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 dun. And one of the last buttons, oh, it's down here. It came off and it's down here.
Seriously?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, everyone, here's how it looks. Let me know in the comments how fly I look. I know it looks super fly, so you don't even have to comment, but do anyway. And now we're back. Bada bing, bada boom. Magic trick for days. And, yeah. That's how it looks. Oh, wait, I realized that I forgot the shoes. Bada bing, bada boom with shoes. From the toe all the way to the head. We're all complete. Low 360, and now I realize that
Could use some ironing.
yeah, could use some ironing.
Can I take your keys? Can I take your keys? Can I take your keys, sir? Can I take your keys, kind?
such a cool guy. Also, I just realized that I forgot to take out my retainer, so... But we're not doing this again. If anyone can guess exactly what this is, then you'll get a free shout out. A free shout out. Free shout out. And thank you guys so much for watching. And there should be a video over here. Another video thing right here. Yeah. Hope you all had fantastic. Oh, like, subscribe, just comment, share, dislike, share buttons, all the options for and don't want to. And have a fantastic rest of day, night, evening, whatever time it is. Just make sure it's fantastic. Have a good one. Let me know how it looks. Let me know what your guesses are for my costume. I'll give you a hint. And I had help from... That's it. Let's go.